Hi, it's Steve. In this video, we'd like to show you how to change the right side track for the crisper drawer in your refrigerator. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now to do this repair, we'll open up both of the refrigerator doors. We're going to remove any items that are on that shelf, as well as remove the drawers themselves, and just set those aside. We'll then lift up on that shelf, pull it forward, and about halfway, you'll be able to tilt it and lift it out. And then we'll set that on a suitable work surface and we can change out that part. Now we've laid the shelf face down on a suitable surface. To remove the old track, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. And you'll note along the outside edge, there are 3 openings there with some tabs that are protruding. So using our flat blade screwdriver, we're just going to depress those tabs while pushing away with the track. You can then remove it and discard the old one. Now next, we'll take the new track. We're going to line up those tabs and then simply press it into place. Make sure all 3 snap into place, and then we're ready to put the shelf back into the refrigerator. Now when reinstalling the shelf, we want to make sure that these hooks at the back of the shelf drop down through that recessed opening and then straddle the back portion of that until it's pressed firmly into place. Make sure the shelf sits up on top of those protrusions. Push it back until it drops into place. We'll reinstall our drawers. Make sure they slide easily. If not, you may apply a little bit of food grade grease to those rails. And again, make sure that the drawers slide easily. Make sure they're pushed firmly into place before you close the doors. And your repair is complete.